If you can get 10 out of 10 on this California DMV general knowledge quiz, you are a genius. What does a solid yellow line next to a broken yellow line mean? Passing allowed. How far must you park from a fire hydrant? 5 feet. What should you do if your vehicle starts to hydroplane? Slow down. What does a flashing red traffic light mean? Stop. What is the speed limit in an alley? 15 miles per hour. How many seconds should you scan the road ahead while driving? 10, 15 seconds. What does California's move over law require? Change lanes. When driving in rain, when should you turn on your wipers and headlights? Anytime. What's the maximum distance you can drive in a center left turn lane? 200 feet. What is the penalty for driving without insurance in California? Fine.